Lunacy, Mother Nature draws Falcon for a speed rematch with Patriots. The longest Patriot lunar eclipse in nearly 600 years is coming tonight. On the same night the Patriots play the Falcons, the eclipse duration 3 hours 28 minutes. According to NASA, those figures might strike a nerve in Atlanta circle, particularly as it relates to the 51st Super Bowl when the Tom Brady-led Patriots rallied from a huge deficit 28-3 to beat the Falcons 34 to 28 in overnight copy. The most miraculous comebacks in Super Bowl history. A lunar eclipse happened when the sun, earth, and a full moon from a near perfect lineup in space. For East Coast observers, the particle eclipse begins a little after 2 a.m. Friday and reaches its maximum at 4 a.m. For observers on the West Coast, it begins just after 11 p.m. Thursday and reaches a maximum at 1 a.m. Friday. For most of the game 4 years ago, the Falcons seemed poised to win Super Bowl 51 in ball-out fashion.